The Omniverse is the collection of every single universe, multiverse, megaverse, dimension, alternate or pocket, and realm. This includes not only Marvel Comics, but also DC Comics, Image, Dark Horse, Archie, Harvey, Shueisha, Boom Studios, Rebellion, Dynamite, IDW, Graphic India, Derby Pop, Vertigo, Oni Press, Udon, Valiant, and every universe ever mentioned or seen including our own world. Even fan fictions, cancelled works, mere fantasies, wishes of thoughts created by people, future comic book publishing companies and fictional universes yet to be published are considered part of the Omniverse. Simply put, the Omniverse is every version of reality and existence imaginable. The classification system for alternate realities was devised, in part, by Mark Gruenwald. A multiverse is a collection of alternate universes, with a similar nature and a universal hierarchy. The Marvel Multiverse contains Earth 616 and most of the What If universes, as well as the vast number of alternate Marvel Universe Earths. The original term and concept were coined by Michael Moorcock for his Eternal Champion sequence. The lead characters from Moorcock's work are obviously the inspiration for the Captain Britain Corps. The Megaverse is a structure present between multiverse and omniverse which links realities more closely associated to the mainstream multiverse, and more distant realities, such as the Shadow Line. There are certain universes outside of the Marvel Multiverse that are collected inside their own multiverses, which then form groups of multiverses. A dimension is a portion of reality containing space, time, matter, and energy and is separated from other dimensions by some physical difference in these elements. A dimension may be a universe, which contains a virtually infinite amount of space, or a pocket dimension, which is clearly finite and often relatively small. Dimensions can also be classified by their composition. Earth-like dimensions possess a similar makeup, physical properties, and laws of physics as the planet Earth. Alien dimensions have differing physical properties and laws than the Earth. And magic dimensions which also have differing properties than the Earth, but are primarily governed by magic. Pocket dimension in Marvel Comics includes Counter-Earth, Heroes Reborn, The Hill. The Microverse. There were many microverses existed within the Marvel Multiverse. The most commonly visited microverse is the one containing the regions known as Subatomica and the Micronauts' home world. The Mojoverse, a dimension where all beings are addicted to gladiator-like television programs. Ruled by Mojo and home to Spiral, Longshot and the X-Babies. The Negative Zone, mostly uninhabited, it is a universe parallel to Earth's with many similarities. One major difference is all matter in the Negative Zone is negatively charged. Negative Zone Prison Alpha is located here. Other Place, also known as Limbo or Demonic Limbo, a magical dimension of demons which was historically ruled by Belasco and primarily featured in the X-Men comic books. The Void, a pocket dimension that exists inside Shaman's medicine bag. The Soul Gem, a pocket dimension that exists inside the Green Infinity Gem. Some external realities are Avalon, also known as Otherworld. This realm is an access point to the entire Marvel Multiverse utilized by the Captain Britain Corps. Also home to the Celtic gods and King Arthur. The Dark Force dimension. This dimension also includes, but is not limited to, Spot World as used by the supervillain The Spot and the Brimstone dimension as used by the X-Man Nightcrawler. Limbo, also known as True Limbo or Temporal Limbo, outside of time, historically ruled by Immortus and the location to which Rom the Space Knight banished the Dire Wraiths. The Panopticon, home base of the reality-hopping exiles, structurally dissimilar, but functionally similar, to Avalon. The 10 realms of Asgardian cosmology are the separate worlds of that dimension supported by Yggdrasil, the World Tree. Thanks to the All-Speak, all Asgardians and related races can communicate in all of the languages of the 9 realms, Earth's dialects, and various alien languages. The names of the 10 realms are Alfheim, Asgard, Vanaheim, Jotunheim, Nidvalli, Svartalfheim, Niflheim, Muspelheim, Midgard, Earth, and Heaven. Of the 10 realms, 4, Asgard, Alfheim, Nidvalli, and Vanaheim, are part of the same dimension, located on different regions of the same continent. Travel between realms is done via various portals and dimensional rifts. The Asgardians travel via the Bifrost, the rainbow bridge that is guarded by Heimdall. Midgard is the home of humans, i.e. Earth. Other realities. Not every alternate reality is an entire independent universe, but instead maintain a parasitic relationship to a parent reality. Others can exist outside the multiversal structure altogether.
If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye-bye.